25 ka-August, uVenus uyaphuma kuCancer uyongena kuLeo. Uzohlala isikhathi esincane lapha kuLeo, uzohlala from 25 ka-August aphume ngomhla ka-19 ka-September. Uma iplanethi imove from one sign to another, nama-energies ayashintsha emhlabeni. Manje sesobhekana nokuthi uVenus njengoba eyiplanethi yothando nezinto esizifisayo uyongena kuLeo, i-zodiac sign erulwa i-Sun. uLeo is about i-passion, is about i-action, is about bold moves, is about izinto nje ezine-drama, izinto ezi-out there. So uma esuka uVenus eyongena laphayana, yiloko sekumele ukuthi-ke manje sikulindele ey'mpilweni zethu nakuma-relationships wethu. Not only-ke ama-relationships othando, but indlela nje esi-interact-a ngayo-ke nabantu njengoba siphila emhlabeni. Esizokubona-ke is those bold moves nje nama-drama, mhlambe nama-expressions of love. Abantu-ke bezi-expressa ukuthi bafila kanjani. Abantu bazo-exchange futhi nama-gifts, because kuzobe kusuka ngaphakathi othandweni ukuthi umuntu uyazizwa ukuthi uthando lakhe liphakeme kakhulu. Manje bese banalento ye-drama-ke ehambisana noLeo yokuthi let me express, let me take i-center stage, ngibonakale ngizi-expressa. Okungamele nje kodwa ukuthi siqaphele ukuthi-ke lawo ma-bold moves nama-expressions of love funeka aqhamuke enhliziyweni, aqhamuke from endaweni engenayo i-ego, kube indawo eneqiniso leyo. Uthi nawe mubona ukuthi you're becoming a sense of attraction manje, wazi ukuthi lowo muntu lowo wenza lawo ma-gestures kubona kube umuntu omthembile, honest, because abantu bazoba nje over the top, in terms of expressing izinto zabo zothando. So uVenus njengoba ezongena laphaya kuLeo uzosi-affecta sonke-ke kulawa amanye ama-zodiac signs wethu ngezindlela ezingafani, ngendlela ezehlukile. Kuzobe futhi kuyisikhathi esincane lesazosihlala laphaya, kodwa into ezokwenzeka kuwena empilweni it's going to be up to you ukuthi uyayi-accepta yini-ke lelo thando noma uyali-rejecta yini. But kungathi maqhamuka ama-opportunities, because this thing is not only about love, it's about iy'nhliziyo zethu nje singabantu, nokuthi sesi-elevate kangakanani, sesi-understanda kanjani ama-vibrations omhlaba wonke njengoba enyukile. So if you feel ukuthi even umuntu nama-business partners or nine-partnership ethizeni nje, kodwa if you feel ukuthi this relationship is genuine, kuzoba khona leyo nto yokuthi uzofuna uku-affirma umuntu ukuthi I am happy with this arrangement esinayo. Wonke umuntu uzoba bold in terms of expressing izinto, simply because uVenus uyasithinta ngakwezothando nokuba compassionate, bese kuthi uLeo lo angena kuyena yena ubold, uyasi-expressa kakhulu. Also kunye okokuthi uLeo simbhekisise naye ukuthi yini, what is Leo all about, because uLeo urula leya 5th house. I-5th house le ye-creativity, yezinto ezi-artistic, yezinto futhi ze-passion eziphathelene futhi noku-creator izinto plus noku-creator abantu. So zonke lezo zinto enjalo-ke zizobe zi-heightened during this time. It's always important ukuthi uyazi i-birth chart yakho, wazi ukuthi uVenus ukuphi wena kwi-natal chart yakho, khona uzokwazi ukuthi manje njengoba eselaphaya kuLeo usengi-affecta kanjani. Uzazi i-rising sign yakho, khona uzokwazi futhi ukuthi kuwena-ke uLeo ukuphi. Because if ungu-rising sun, say for instance ungu-rising sun Gemini, kusho ukuthi i-first house yakho is uGemini, uCancer is your 2nd house, uLeo is your 3rd house, which means ukuthi whatever is happening nezinto zothanda nama-expressions anjani, if wena unguGemini manje uzobe-affecteke ngayo yonke lento esikhuluma ngayo kwi-3rd house yakho, i-3rd house le ye-communication. Over and above, this is going to be a very short transit. Okumele ukuthi nje sibe on the lookout, ke sibuke singadlali futhi abantu abazo-express izinto zothando kuthina kanti badlala ngathi. Lowa Mercury retrograde okade yenzekile uphazamisile kakhulu, especially entweni zothando. Izinto ezonakala ngaleso sikhathi zistanda a good chance manje ukuthi zilunge izinto zothando. Isikhathini esiningi ama-tensions ayavuka kuma-relationships, kodwa masingekho awe ukuthi enziwa yilama transit ama-planet, izinto siyithatha kakhulu siyifake enhliziyweni kwesinye isikhathi, kanti mhlawumbe into ibizobe ilunge ngesinye isikhathi. Ingakho kubalulekile ukuthi u-reacta kanjani, because kunama-relationship amaningi that stand a better chance manje ukuthi alungiseke because of le nto eyenzeka before. Kodwa wena if usazobamba inhliziyo kakhulu-ke mhlambe-ke uzogcina uyimisa i-opportunity yokuthi ulungise leyo relationship yakho, but at the same time kudepende ukuthi biyonakele kangakanani, biyonakele kanjani. Ingakho futhi noma ngabe sixabana kuma-relationships kubalulekile ukuthi sicabange, you know, ungathathi into kakhulu ngenhliziyo, ungathathi into futhi ibe personal kakhulu, ugcine umuntu noma ngabe uyaxabana naye kodwa manje usukhuluma kuze kweqa, because awazi ukuthi kusasa lekuphatheleni kuzodlula le transit ekhona lalama emotions are intense. Kufika isikhathi sokuthi usuyashayeka nawe usuyamkhumbula umuntu, but because usuze wakhuluma kakhulu kungabe kusalungiseka lokho. Izinto ey'fana nalezo-ke kumele ukuthi siyilindele if kunama-transits afana nalawa. This is very short, so we just need to make good use of it.